What's my worst setup? Turns out it's the bull flag pullback. Oh, today's video is about a couple of things. I am officially in a drawdown and I don't know if I'm going to get out of it this month. My trading is just not looking good. So let's talk about that first. Let's see. I will show you this month. I'm going to pull my trader view over and show you the month. So, yeah, today is my 10th red day this month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, my ninth red day this month. Now I officially have more red days this month than green days. Yeah, it's just a really, really bad month. Okay, this week is red. The last 2 weeks were red. And I'm at the point where I'm just really frustrated by it. I'm frustrated because my trading was doing much better before I started my live stream. But I really don't think, I think my knowledge has improved and I think my overall understanding of the market has improved greatly. Okay. But yeah, it's just kind of in the toilet. So I haven't even tagged my trades. I was too frustrated. But I'm going to go through pretty much what happened on my trades today. So TSLL was the first one. And honestly, let's see, my first 3 trades, they were all bull flag pullbacks, okay? And they were pretty clean bull flag pullbacks, but they just weren't working, okay? This one right here, the stock pulled, it was TSLL, the stock pulled back, it broke up over the top of the low candle, and I got in. And it popped up and then it rejected. I just honestly, the first 3 trades, they were all pretty much the same. Bull flag pullbacks that failed. Okay, I didn't tag them in here, but I have it written down on my journal. My 4th trade, that trade was the most successful trade of the day. Not the most successful, but I had 1 green bull flag pullback, but honestly, I think that was just kind of a fluke. The 3 trades that I felt good about, this 4th trade here on ASTC, this was a flat top breakout. Sorry, yes, a flat top breakout. So right here, the price was hitting this level, about 587, and it was tapping this level, and at the same time, the volume was going down. Now, on bull flag pullbacks, my accuracy has been just over 50% in the time that I've been tagging them. I think it was over 100 trades. So yes, I'm green more than I'm red, but barely, and my losses are way bigger than my winners on the bull flag pullbacks. However, on high of day breakouts, flat top breakouts, and a break over the whole and half dollar, my wins are greater than my losses. And I have higher accuracy. It's between 60 to 70% accuracy on those setups. So I'm seeing them. They're easier for me to see. They're easier for me to trade. They just feel easy. And I said something on my live stream today about how when it's such a struggle, I feel like, what am I doing? And I've been saying for a while now that my bull flag pullback is it feels like a struggle. And the data is supporting that. Okay. And this trade, which was my 4th trade, it just felt easy. Okay. So I got in and I took, and again, I reduced my share size today, but I got in and I got 5 cents a share. And it was easy. Okay. I had another 2 bull flag pullbacks here, this one and this one. This one was fine, but like out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, I had 1 that was green. I mean, come on. Yes, it worked. I had a trade that worked, but the numbers are speaking for themselves. Okay. So then the last two trades of the day, one was on ASTC and one was on MTVA, and these were high of day breakouts. And again, this is one that I have better accuracy on, way better than the bull flag pullback. And so here I had seen it almost tap this level, and I was looking for a break over this high of day. It broke over the high of day, and I jumped in for a quick 10 cents a share. So there might be less opportunities for me to trade this, but to trade these other setups. But when I do trade them, I have better results, better accuracy. Okay. And the last trade was on MTVA. And also, again, this was a high of day breakout. Again, it's easy for me to see. Here, I was looking for it to break out over this level. It did. I got in and got out. And I was able to get, this was on 100 shares traded, so 50. This was 10 cents a share. So not only am I green, I'm seeing the trades more easily, and my winners are higher, okay, on these trades. So the data is speaking for itself, okay? And the bull flag pullback, like, I understand it. I understand how it works. I did a video on it. I understand the setup. But for some reason, I'm missing something. I'm hitting a lot of false breakouts, like a lot of false breakouts. So I guess I don't really understand it, right? And I'm not trading it consistently. I'm not trading it accurately. And when I do get green on it, my winners are way smaller than my losers. My losers are so much bigger. So today, that was really the big lesson from today. My goal this week is to work on trend lines and support lines and resistance lines. And honestly, my best trades capitalize on that. The bull flag pullback is completely different than my other three trades, my other three setups. My three setups that I do the best on, the flat top breakout, the break over whole or half dollar, and the high of day breakout, they're all breaks over a point of resistance. Okay, whereas the bull flag is a breakout from a pullback. And again, the micro pullback, which is a setup I worked for a long time, again, very inconsistent results. So, yeah, so for me, I'm deciding to leave those setups behind. Okay, the two setups that have been my worst setups, which are micro pullbacks and bull flag pullbacks, they're similar. They're breakouts after a pullback, and I just get hit over and over with false breakouts. Okay. And the setups that I seem to be doing the best at, let's see if I can pull, let me show you some of my data here. So if I go to trades, let's see, if I go to tag breakdown, bull flag pullback, flat top breakout, high of day breakout. What was the other one? High of day breakout, breakout, a half dollar. Yeah, those are the four. Oh, micro. Okay, micro pullback. All right. And we're gonna look for, this is gonna be embarrassing, but I'm gonna do it. Okay. I guess it's showing all of them. So look at that. Almost all my big losses. Look at that. That destroyed my P&L. That destroyed my P&L this year. I mean, I'm still green on the year, but look at how much greener I would be if I had just not traded that. All right. And this had you know, I had lots of green trades in here, but my accuracy was so low, right? So if we look at my accuracy on this is 53%, all right? But if we look at, let's pick another one. If we look at flat top breakout, now I realize I took less trades, right? But flat top breakout, I'm green, 500 bucks, okay? And my accuracy is 70%. Okay, less trades for sure. On, let's see, what was the other one? That was flat top. Oh, micro pullback. Let's look at the micro pullback. I'm almost scared to look at this. Negative $624. All right, accuracy 49%. Break over whole or half dollar, $36. But still, that's only 8 trades. And high of day. Let's look at high of day. Well, only 16 cents. But I had a 66% accuracy rate. Okay, my losers were probably bigger than my winners. So I guess what I'm thinking is that every time I'm trading a bull flag pullback, I might be missing an opportunity to trade a break over a point of resistance. And this week, I've really been working on trend lines, support lines, resistance lines. I'm starting to see it more clearly. And so the bull flag pullback and the micro pullback, they're too similar. And the data is telling me I'm doing the worst on those. And the 3 that are similar, I'm doing the best on. Okay, my accuracy is better. My results are better. And I would rather take less trades and be more successful. So I'm taking the micro pullback and the bull flag pullback out of my game. And over on Substack, I have my trading plan, which is a living document. It has completely changed since I posted it earlier in the month. But at the end of the month, on the 31st, I'm going to treat it like a balance sheet. I'm going to leave that version and start a new version for June so that there will be a snapshot of my trading plan and time on the last day of every month. That way I can kind of track my trading plans over time and look at the evolution of how I was trading. But based on today was the straw that broke the camel's back. I'm like, no, that's just silly. I mean, I get it. It might have been, one day might be an outlier, but looking at that data in aggregate, which is only probably 2 months of tagging trades, you can see that the bull flag pullback is just dragging me down. And so anyway, I will stick to the setups that I like and explore more setups that are tied to breaks over resistance, which makes sense, right? Momentum trading. I mean, that makes a lot of sense. So anyway, yeah, hopefully I have 2 more trading days this week. I'm really hoping to have 2 green days. I need to get my confidence back. Today I was mostly trading with 50 shares and I still went red. It's like, what? So tomorrow I'm going to be conservative, stick to those few setups and look for setups based on breaks over a level of resistance. I don't know, maybe I'm onto something. The data is telling me a story and I need to listen to that story. All right, guys, I'm going to be posting my midweek check-in over on Substack later today. And then I'll be back tomorrow trading. We're going to try again. And I will see you tomorrow. Trade smart.